Get your kids excited about cooking with this easy and fun homemade soft pretzel recipe. Perfect for little hands to help with. Here's what you'll need. 1 cups warm water, 1 packet active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, coarse salt for topping, and 1/4 cup baking soda. Start by mixing warm water, yeast, and sugar in a large bowl. Let it sit for 5 minutes until bubbly. Add flour and salt, then mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until smooth. Divide the dough into small balls, perfect for tiny hands to roll into long ropes. Shape the ropes into pretzels and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees, 230 degrees. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of water and the baking soda to a boil. Carefully dip each pretzel into the boiling water for about 30 seconds. Then return to the baking sheet. Sprinkle with coarse salt. Bake for 10-12 minutes, or until golden brown. Let them cool slightly before enjoying your delicious homemade soft pretzels. This recipe not only creates tasty treats, but also offers a fantastic opportunity to bond with your kids and teach them valuable kitchen skills. Happy baking!